Hi, Peter Kennedy here from pkys. I'm talking today about this little green plug that Victron use in many of their devices as an on-off switch. The plug has two pins and it's got a jumper wire in it, and when the plug and jumper are in, the device is on. If the jumper or the plug is removed, the device is off. If the device has Bluetooth, it will say disabled by remote when you remove it. So you can take the jumper out and run two wires to any switch and then operate your device remotely. But there's more you can do. You'll see that it's got a terminal labeled H and a terminal labeled L. If you take a wire from the H terminal and run it to a positive voltage, the gizmo will be on, and if you take it from the L terminal and run it to negative, it will be on also. So in a vehicle, for instance, you could run the ignition wire to the H terminal and your device would be on anytime the ignition was on. And we use it in lithium battery systems. The BMS, battery management system, has an output wire that allows things to be on, and if you connect that to the H terminal, your device will be on, and when the BMS says stop, it will turn off that signal and your device will be off. So it's really quite a versatile use for such a simple little green plug.